Hey guys, I'm Aurora. Welcome back to Far Strategist Resources YouTube channel. I want to remind you that every day on our YouTube channel we do live broadcasts. Our program is as follows. From Monday to Friday we do live Forex, while on weekends we do live on crypto. Please follow us. In this video, I will show you High Volatility Market Strategy MT5, that is a trend momentum strategy based on QQE and AMA indicators. This is a trading system suitable for volatile markets. In the following image, I will show you the setup of the strategy. Time frame 50 minutes or higher, currency pairs, volatility pairs, VIX 75 and cryptocurrency. MetaTrader 5 indicators. Daily open, high-low indicator, indicator arrow, AMA 10 to 30, QQE default setting, candle timer. How to install high volatility market strategy MT5. Open high volatility market strategy MT5 to folder. Open indicator folder. Double-click High Volatility Market Strategy MT5 and OMS filter. Double-click Daily Open, Die and Low. Right-click High Volatility Market Strategy MT5 TPL. Copy. Open MT5 terminal. Click File. Open Data folder. MQL5 Profiles, Templates, right-click, paste High Volatility Market Strategy MT5 TPL in the folder. Close all open windows including MT5 terminal. Restart MT5. Right-click on any chart, template, select High Volatility Market Strategy MT5 setup complete. Trading rules high volatility market strategy MT5. Buy. When the buy arrow appears, wait for the candle to close. Check QQE crosses the upward filter for confirmation. Same time. Enter when the candle closes above the AMA. Sell. When the sell arrow appears, wait for the candle to close. Check QQE crosses downward filter for confirmation. Same time. Enter when the candle closes below the AMA. Exit position. Place an initial stop loss below above the previous high low. Profit target before the next support or resistance line or ratio stop loss 1 to 1.3. Examples of trades. So, if you're enjoying the content of this video, make sure you smash the like button. And if you have any questions, you can put them in the comment section below. I'll be glad to answer those comments as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!